Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw the Peelverine Plush, which is coming from Fortnite and is a mash of Wolverine and Peely. So let's get in there at the top. I'm just going to do a slightly diagonal line just across, just like that. It's the top of Peely's head. Okay, then I'm going to do two little lines that come in a little bit like that. And then I'm going to do, just pop a little dot there, just join that up, a little sort of V shape below it. Okay, that's the top of Peely's head. Then what I'm going to do is two curved lines for the top part of Peely's head. So I'm going to start this one here, just go from that corner point there, just bring it down like that. Then this one, same sort of thing, just bring it down like that. Okay, now we've got that in, we can just start looking at the sort of ears of the mask. So let's do two lines in here, 1, 2, start that off sort of in the center point, two lines there. Next we can draw out the ear point, so that can come out like that and sort of curve up. Same on this side, come out and then curve up. And then what we can do is just bring that down and a curve there, and then bring that down and a curve there. And then these kind of match up, so it's going to draw up, curve in like that. Same here, curve down like that. Okay, now I've got those points in. Just going to bring the head point down here, just a little line there, bring the head there to the neck point, sort of here, so it sort of matches up. Then what I can do is I can draw a little line here, which is like the head area, between the head and the body of the plush. Let's now draw the body area. So I'm just going to go a little bit higher here, just put a point there and a point there. Okay, from this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come kind of like down like that. This side, I'm going to do the same thing, come down there, kind of just join it up right here. Okay, now I've got that point in, what I can do is draw a circle. So draw a large circle in the middle for his belt, and then I can draw some lines out where the belt area is. Okay, so a top line here, one out there, and then top line here, one out there. Let's just join that up there. This comes out slightly further than the line here that we've drawn. Then we can just bring that down there and bring that down like that. We can then just join this up to the belt area. Just curve in if you need to, that's all cool. And a couple of lines either side of that. Okay, now we've got that. Can just bring it down a little bit. So this is a continuation of this line here. Just goes along down here, so a little line like that. And that line there just comes in, join up to the belt there. Same thing here, just bring it down like that. Then we'll just curve it up into there. Just going to do this area, finish this part now. So this line here continues up. Same here, kind of continues up. Comes in at a diagonal line, same there, comes in. And then we'll just join that up a bit higher there, line up there, join that, join that. Then this line we've drawn, we can just continue that line along there. Okay, cool. Now I've got those areas in, I can just do the bottom of Peely. So it's like a little bit of a diagonal, kind of just remember that he's a banana. So just line there, down, and then we'll just join that up like that. Okay, what we can do now we've got that point in, is just draw a curve out here and a curve out here. So these are the legs, so the little legs of the plush. So the back of the leg, we'll just go from about there, just bring it down there. Over here, just bring that down there. Now I've got that point in, we can draw the foot, and that's just going to come curve around here and up to there. So I'm going to draw a curve around there, then I'm just going to go up to there, just join that up. Okay, same thing here. So what I'm going to do is curve around there like that, then we're just going to bring that around to there. Okay, now I've got the cool little plush legs in. There's a couple of little arrows here, sort of like showing off the little points showing off the like Wolverine's armor. So there's two of those to put a pop in. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we are, that's that point done. Now we can just move up to here, pop some arms in. There's a little chip, like a little V, you can pop in there, almost like a little sort of V or triangle. That's just the outer part of his armor. Now we've got that, we can do two sort of curved lines for the plush arms. 1, 2. Same this side. Just go 1, 2 like that. Now I've got that, what we can do, just going to do that a little bit longer there. What we can do is just kind of like almost like a circle around here. So we're going to start here. I'm just going to do like an oval just around there for the hand. Okay, same thing this side. Start here. Let's just pop an oval in like that. Now I've got those points in. It's kind of got like banana claws. So I'm going to do some little claw areas. So start about here. Just do 1 to a point at the end. I'm just going to go 2 and then get a third one there. Okay, let's do the same here. So we'll start there, I'll put a little curve in and go 1, 2, and then 3, like that. It's got this cool little banana claws in there. Okay, now I've got those areas in. Let's go back up to the top. I'm going to put a diagonal line here, and a diagonal line here. And then I'm going to do diagonal line down like that, and a diagonal line down like that. Just join that up. Sort of like a little curve on there too. Alright, there's the eyes in. Now I'm going to do the mouth. I'm just going to do a line just off center there. Bring that along there, and then just bring it up here. And then what we can do is just draw a line in the middle too. We've got like a cool little mouth area. It looks like a little bit snarly there. Okay, just to show it's a bit of a plush toy, there's a few little lines in here. So I'm just going to do a little light line in the middle here, just up to the V there. And then there's a little sort of coloured in rectangle black there. And then what we can do is just draw in a little line here and a little line here. And there's a little bit of detail for the character's suit around there, and then a bit here. There's a couple of little sort of Wolverine tears, like a claw's gone in it, because it's a plush toy. So I'm going to do a line like that down, and then just have some sort of like the stuffing coming out of it. Then up here I'm going to draw another line down, and then some more sort of rounded stuffing coming off it there. So we've got like a couple of claw marks in there. There's the suit marks as well here. So I'm just going to do like a little sort of pointed arrow. 1, 2, and then here 1, 2. And then, can't forget, just in the middle there where the belt is, there's an X. So I'm just going to go around that circle one more time just to give it a bit of extra definition. I really sort of beef it out around there. And then I'm going to put an X in. So let's just put that X, the X-Men suit in there. And then just a few lines, thicken it up. Okay, that's cool there. Right, now I've got those points in. Let's just colour in the mask area. So just pop it in. On this one I'm going to pop it in black. Just add a nice bit of shading to the character here. Pop that in like that. And this side too, just fill that area in. Okay, now it's starting to look a lot like Peelverine. Just going to add a little bit of extra line weight to the top of the banana. Sort of stalk there, I think that might help. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Okay, now let's get on to the colour. So, what I'll do, let's start off with the classic sort of Peely and Wolverine yellow. So I'm just going to go on the left hand side really, just start colouring this in. So just do like half over this side and sort of into this sort of area too. See that nice vibrant yellow that we're very used to. Wolverine and Peely, so it works really well. Be careful not to go too much into the lines, otherwise it's going to look a little bit sort of black on the smudge. Let's do this area, so just get in here, go around there. If I leave a little bit of light around it, it's not too bad. Sort of come just a bit further over, I think on the belly area. Cool, and then down the bottom here, let's fill in this area here. Maybe I can just come around, so further as well. That one. And then with the legs, let's just do the edges there. Just on the left hand side there, and I'm going to do just in the side here on the left, again on that bit. Okay, then I've also got these two little V bits here on the suit, and then there's two. I'm just going to go to the finer point actually on this pro marker, but just sort of colour in that area there in the belt. And then we've got the arms there, so let's put a load of yellow in this side, and then we can put a load of yellow in on this side too. Just make a bit more fit there. Cool, alright, that's looking good. What I'll do now is get the darker yellow, so just a little bit of a darker shade of yellow, and then this just makes it just pop a little bit of our shading, so we've got it's a nice sort of almost just on the cusp of orange, sort of yellow. Just gives a bit of life to our character here. Go around this side, just fill that in. Down the bottom here. And what I can actually do on these parts is just draw on the finer point, just where that sort of plush area is, around the neck, around there we go. Just adds a little bit of detail we always like on here. Just colour it up there, around here. Nice easy one for the legs. There we go. And then let's not forget sort of shading around there too. Okay, that's looking good. Next up, let's get a nice light blue. What I'll do is hands, so a nice light blue there. And then a nice light blue here. Okay, let's also, I think, colour in this one, the belt, nice light blue too, around there. And around that point. Now the jacket, sort of part of the suit, let's get a darker blue and just colour that through here. Just get those sort of harder to reach points with the fine point of the pro marker. Okay, just swap it out for the chisel tip. Okay, nice and easy to colour it in. And on this side, let's just fill in those wider areas first. And then just go to the finer point. Just colour in, fill those gaps. You can just colour it in here. Cool, okay. Now, let's get a nice kind of like light colour for the claws. So almost like a sort of banana-y in a sort of flesh colour. It works really well, sort of the inner of the banana. For those claws, pop it in there. And then I've got a slightly darker one, so I'm going to use this one. Just do a little bit of shading in there, just on the ends. And then we'll do the top of the sort of like the stalk area there. Nice, okay. And then what we can do is finally just, just pop a little bit of that colour in here for the plush coming out. And then what that means is now we've got a nice burgundy red for the X-Men red, nice colour this one. So just to give it a little pop of colour there. Alright, this looks really cool. So that is Peelverine. So let's pop that in. So it's Peelverine, and that's the plush. So let's pop that into Peelverine Plush. There we go. That's Peelverine Plush on Art Draw. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and we'll do some more drawings. Thanks for watching.